Synthetic blend versus full synthetic oil. Are you curious about the differences between synthetic blend and full synthetic oils? Every combustion engine needs oil to run smoothly, stay cool, and prevent corrosion. But not all oils are created equal. Stay tuned as we delve into the facts about synthetic blend versus full synthetic oil. How they are made. Let's start by looking at how these oils are made. Synthetic blend oil combines traditional mineral oil with synthetic motor oil, along with various additives and modifiers. In contrast, full synthetic oil is exclusively produced in factories, starting with base oil refined from crude oil. The result? Molecules are fine-tuned, creating a superior base oil. Oils differences based on price. Price can be a significant factor. Synthetic blend oil tends to be more budget-friendly, making regular maintenance and eco-friendly choices. Meanwhile, full synthetic oil comes at a premium, which means higher maintenance costs per quart. Oil change intervals. Let's talk about how long these oils last. Synthetic blend oil typically allows for oil changes around 6,000 miles, with some options extending that to 7,500 miles. Full synthetic oil, on the other hand, can go even further, ranging from 5,000 miles on the low end to an impressive 10,000 to 15,000 miles in optimal conditions. Well, if you're finding this video helpful, why don't you take a moment to subscribe to our channel? Doing so will show your support and really help us. Once you've done that, let's continue. Major differences. Now, let's break down the key differences. Synthetic blend oil is 1. Cost-effective. 2. Suitable for heavy-duty use. 3. Offers excellent defense against sludge, friction, and engine wear. 4. Resistant to high temperatures. Full synthetic oil, on the other hand, has 1. Longer oil change intervals. 2. Superior fuel efficiency. 3. Highly refined with synthetic additive components. 4. Guards against engine sludge and moisture damage. 5. Improved engine efficiency and lower friction. So, which one is best? If you want the best protection and performance, full synthetic oil is the way to go. It excels in extreme conditions, offering exceptional durability and efficiency. Conclusion. In the end, the choice comes down to your vehicle's needs. Check your owner's manual for recommended viscosity and oil type. It's your ultimate guide to keeping your engine running smoothly. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, drive safely.